What we're seeing right now sa 4-hour chart ng Bitcoin is a possible W. So meaning to say, from the 67, 68K level will pull back again to complete the W pattern, probably a double bottom at 60K level or a little lower. Lower low, pwedeng pa ganyan. Pwedeng mas mababa pa dito sa 59 something. O pwedeng tamaan tong 59. Dito ka magdo-double bottom. Right? So that's a W recovery. Possible din naman, kung nagmamadali ito, V-shape recovery. It's just letter V. If V-shape recovery natin, my theory is this. Lipat ko sa one day time frame. Crucial for me itong closing today. Ha? Maganda kasi yung closing yesterday. After a red candle, may green candle ka na in-engulf. No? This is bullish for me. If today, we'll see another massive move ng Bitcoin towards the 70K level, 72K level, I will not be surprised that in the coming days, we will be recording another high. A new all-time high in the coming days. I'll explain to you why. Because the price action build-up. Look at this. So, ito po pwede mangyari dyan. Sellers nandito, buyers nandito, buyers nandito, right? Pataas ng pataas yung buyers. Buyers nandito, right? Eventually, this will attempt again to break this one. So, kung malakas ito, sabi ko nga, kung long green na naman to, malakas na naman to, most likely, yung pullback mo will be a little shallower and then we'll record another high. If today, we'll see another red candle, meaning pinulback tayo, long red pabalik dito, hindi natin ma-break yung 68 level, 69K level, most likely, we'll see consolidation sa loob po nito. Pwedeng ganyan, alright, until we break yung ascending triangle. Follow for more T2 moves!